In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a PayPal account in Zambia. This process is straightforward and we aim to guide you through it in just 5 minutes, ensuring you can start managing your online payments efficiently and securely. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to paypal.com ZM. This is the local PayPal site for Zambia, ensuring that all features and options are appropriately region specific. Once on the homepage, you'll notice the sign up button prominently displayed. Click on this button to initiate the account creation process. It's straightforward and user friendly, making it accessible even for first time users. Next, you'll need to choose the type of account you wish to create. For personal use, select the personal account option and then click on get started. Personal accounts are ideal for online shopping and receiving payments for services or goods. It's the perfect choice for everyday transactions. Now it's time to fill in some basic information. Enter your name, email address, and create a strong and secure password. It's essential to use an email address you have regular access to and a password that's not easily guessable to ensure the protection of your account. Security is key here, so maybe think of a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for your password. At this stage, make sure to select Zambia as your country. This is crucial because it aligns your account with regional services, which can influence factors such as currency and payment options. By selecting Zambia, you ensure that your transactions are smooth and localized to your specific needs. We then move on to providing additional details. Follow the instructions carefully to provide your full name, address, phone number, and any other required information. Be sure to double check these details for accuracy, as this information needs to match your other personal records. The next step involves linking a bank account or a card to your PayPal account. You can add a bank account, debit card, or credit card. Linking an account or card is necessary for sending and receiving payments. If you have a preferred payment method, ensure that the details you provide are correct. Verification might be the subsequent task required. PayPal may ask you to verify your account, which could be done by linking it to your bank or providing some additional information. Verification strengthens your account's security and also lifts any limitations on your transactions. Finally, take some time to read through the terms and conditions. Once you've reviewed the details, agree to the terms by clicking Agree and Create Account. And that's it, you've successfully opened a PayPal account in Zambia. Now, you're ready to explore and utilize the convenience of online transactions through PayPal.